Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common problem faced by users who have limited desk space and utilize laptop docks. The issue arises when they step away from their desks or undock their laptops while still actively logged in. In this scenario, leaving a laptop unlocked poses a significant security problem. Picture this. You can simply open the laptop lid and have full access to their accounts without any authentication. What a security loophole, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The good news is that the computer does eventually lock itself after a screensaver lockout period of 5 minutes. While this may not be an immediate fix, it does provide a layer of security by automatically locking the laptop after a certain period of inactivity. This underscores the importance of user education in ensuring data security. By educating users on the screen lockout feature and encouraging them to lock their laptops manually when stepping away, we can mitigate the risks associated with this issue. In summary, the key to addressing this problem lies in a combination of technological solutions and user education. While the automatic screen lock feature serves as a safety net, it's crucial for users to be vigilant about manual locking when necessary. By understanding the features of their devices and practicing good security habits, users can keep their accounts safeguarded even in situations where laptops are left unattended. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop us a comment below with your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.